Hey, we got a little summer cottage on the farm here. It's for the chickens. It's a nice little summer cottage for the chickens. And like anything, from time to time you need to make a few repairs. Okay, I got these two pieces cut out and fitted in there. I ended up putting a 45 on the corner there, trimming them up with the fine work chainsaw, and guess I'll put a couple nails in it. Gotta put a little bit of a shim underneath of here. Looks like a machined 2x4 will work. Not a good old sawmill 2x4, but one of them 1.5 by 3.5 will work, I think. We'll try that anyway. Guess we'll put a couple of well-placed nails in here. I'm even going to use some new ones. Figure I got a few new ones, so I'll use them. But you better believe I'm going to use all the old ones I can. Anyhow, that 2x fit in there pretty good. Let's see if I can toenail a couple in. Had a friend that absolutely hated toenailing things. He said it wasn't proper carpentry. Wasn't really nailing it, but works good for me. See. Let's see. Might be time for our first used nail. It's a little bit big, but we'll try it. See what happens. Oh yeah. That's what I call nailing. That's beautiful. Looks good. We'll put one over here too. We're going to put some of this stuff up on the walls to kind of fill in the holes, so maybe every weasel and possum and coon in the neighborhood can't crawl through the walls and eat the chickens. So anyhow, we got these nice wall boardish type things here, courtesy of the local grocery store dumpster. So anyhow, it makes nice, fully insulated, nice smooth little wall liners there. So we're going to put those up in a minute. And then I'm going to do something, well, I'm not actually going to do anything with that, but I'm going to do, this piece of tin has never been real good on there, so I'm going to drag out another piece of tin and kind of put on top of it to keep it from leaking so bad. So anyhow, I guess I'll get to work. Are we playing? There you go. That's going to go back here where you can't even see. Oh boy. Jenny, you cut that one too long. I don't know what you were thinking about. Oh yeah, it's fitting up there good. You're not playing that thing, are you? Oh, she is. Oh my goodness. I better watch my P's and Q's then. There. That'll plug that up right nice. We'll move on to the next area. This area here. Yeah, that'll fit down in there nice. Yeah, we just screw them to the wall, and some of these gaps I'm gonna had some this left over from when I filled in my gaps in the doors of my silo to make it airtight. I had some of this left over, so I'm gonna. I mean, it's not that the chicks will, you know, rot like the silage does if any air comes in, but figured it'll keep small critters out or give them a stomach ache when they chew through it, one or the other. So anyhow, we're gonna do that. All right. Maybe I should have it this way so the chicks will have something interesting to read in them long nights and they can't sleep or something. I guess. Anyway. Well, got most of the foam put in places and got the other stuff covered up all around the walls and everything where something might could get in. So I guess I'll move on to do something with the tin up there. Hey, climbing up on the roof here. Remember, any job worth doing is worth doing well. And your finished product is going to be no better than the materials you use for it. So, why I always go with the best materials I have at hand. You can see this fine specimen of tin here is it may be a little bit maybe a little bit old news, but it's still very serviceable. Oh yeah, that's what I'm trying to tell you. How am I gonna get up on the roof? Elmer, you in the bet. The roof held me. All right. Anyway, yeah, we got to do a little bit of screwing down here. Well, you know, it would have been a novelty is if I brought the, I thought I set it up here. It must have fell down. The screw gun. Hold on, I'll go get it. We's recording right now. In there now. Well, there you go. That ought to shed the rainwater. Now all we got to do is just add chickens. There you go. We got the chickens in here. They seem to be making themselves at home. A lot of chicks. They are. They already actually spent their first night out here, and they're really enjoying the more open space because they've been spending their life in that tub on the back porch. They were kind of stinking up the place, so we hurried to move them out here. So anyhow, I hope you enjoyed watching this.